In this video, we'll review the setup and basic operation of the Surge Bluetooth headphones from H2O Audio. Before we get started, it's important to understand that the Surge Bluetooth headphones are waterproof, but they're not commonly used for swimming because Bluetooth has a very short range, only an inch or two, underwater. Your new Surge Bluetooth headphones have a built-in rechargeable battery. To charge the battery, open the rubber cover on the side of the control module and connect the smaller end of the provided cable here. Note that this plug, called a micro USB, is asymmetric, and the wider side of the plug should face the buttons on the control module. The plug will go about halfway into the port. This is normal. Plug the other side of the cord into a standard USB port. A solid red light will illuminate while charging. This is a super important note. Once charged, be sure to replace the cover to the USB port. If this cover isn't in place, the headphones will not be waterproof. Because the Surge BT is a wireless Bluetooth headphone, it must be paired or connected to a device like a smartphone or a computer. To pair, place your headphones and Bluetooth device within 3 feet of each other. The headphones should be turned off. Then, press and hold the center multifunction button for about 8 seconds until the indicator light starts rapidly flashing red and blue. This indicates that the headphones are in pairing mode. Now, go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, look for H2O Audio SG8BT, and connect. If prompted to enter a password, use 0000. After a successful pairing connection, the indicator light will flash blue every 2 seconds. Then, play music from your device. It will automatically stream through the headphones. Press the center multifunction button to pause your music. Press it again to resume playing. Press and release the volume up button here to increase volume. The volume down button decreases volume. To skip a song or go back to a previous song, press and hold either of the volume control buttons. A proper fit is important to both your comfort and the performance of your headphones. We recommend experimenting with the different sizes and shapes of ear tips. These can be removed with a gentle pull and twist. To replace, squeeze the small end of the tip, get one part over the opening of the earphone plug, and press. 3 sizes of black fins are also included. These are designed to make the fit more secure. Note the right or left side and place the fins onto the corresponding headphone plug before pressing on the ear tip. The fin should fit snugly in your ear. Rotate it slightly forward to lock the headphones in place. For more information, visit h2oaudio.com.